Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here, and it's your Friday update of the forecast for next week, looking at this cold weather. And I'm updating you about this cold weather again today because we're getting some kind of firmer ideas now coming in from the models as to exactly what's going to happen with this spell of cold weather. Let me just take you briefly through the charts. These are the 10-day precipitation forecasts. This is Friday to Friday, so this is from today till a week today. You see over the UK most of the rainfall down these western coasts of the country, hinting at these westerly winds that we're going to be seeing. Less rainfall across the south. We've kind of got 5 to 10 mil across southern areas. Across these western parts, sort of 50 to 60 mil. Now, from Saturday through to the following Sunday, most of the rain focused towards the north and the west again. But you can still see that most of us are going to be seeing some rainfall, or forecast to from the models. So that's hinting that we are going to be fairly unsettled, I think. The anomalies from Friday to Friday, so for the first 7-day period of the forecast, around 50% of normal rainfall across southern areas, but more generally near normal rainfall across northern and western parts, but drier than normal down these eastern areas of the country. Now, I've been showing you this chart over the last few days, and this is the 10-day mean, the 7 to 10-day mean 500 millibar heights and anomalies from the ECMWF model on the left and the GFS model on the right. And what they show is on the ECMWF, the jet stream coming straight across the Atlantic during the period from next Saturday through till the following Monday. And actually it's in good agreement, look, with the GFS. They've got it in about the same place. Both of them going for below normal heights through the British Isles, or close to the British Isles, and that's good agreement actually between the two models. So hinting that conditions are going to be certainly cooler during the back end of next week. And a ridge, look, building out in the Atlantic. Only a weak ridge, but the effect of this is to nudge the jet stream northwards, create a ridge out here in the West Atlantic, deepen this trough a little bit, and keep the more unsettled conditions and cooler conditions going through the British Isles. Now, onto this cold weather, and I've just put a couple of graphs together for you just to show you the temperature changes that we're going to be seeing. This is Glasgow. Now, we've got the data across the bottom here. Look, this is the 15th, so we've got Saturday here through to the following Saturday here on the right hand side. The blue bars incidentally are rainfall in 6-hourly intervals. So these are the maximum temperatures. This is the temperature over the maximum temperatures in 6-hour periods. So what it shows is how these temperatures look fall away as we go through the course of next week. And look at this, the big change comes about on starting on Sunday in Glasgow, when temperatures are down to maxes are probably no higher than about 11 degrees. Then we just take this fall off. Look at this plunge in temperatures. Now remember that these low points here are maximums overnight. Okay, so you've got to bear that in mind. It's these peaks that we're really interested in. But you can see here, look how that peak, how those falls take place over the next few days. So really some quite dramatic changes in temperatures taking place. Let's come down to Manchester. Look, see, we've got not bad temperatures, 14s, but then suddenly taking this dip through the later part of the 17th. So where are we then? 17th is Monday, so it's going to be late on Monday that this change takes place. And then look at this, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maximums of 8 and 9 degrees. Again, it's going to be a sharp fall off, isn't it? For Birmingham, look, very, very similar. We've got these temperatures up at first, up to the 18th, so getting up to late part of Monday into Tuesday, but then suddenly this fall off through Tuesday, maximums by then sort of 8s and 9s. We're certainly going to be feeling this. And London too doesn't escape. Here's the maximums, getting up to 17, almost 18 degrees on Monday, or rather late on Monday. And then the fall off takes place during the early part Tuesday morning, and then we down to 10s through the week, 10s and 11s through the week. So this really is going to be quite a dramatic change in conditions, I think, as we go through next week. And we can see it coming through on the pressure charts here. If we just bring these up, let's just have a whiz through these from weatheronline.co.uk. Here's the time, look. We've got Friday, so today, here's high pressure out towards the east, here's our front coming in from the west. Now watch what happens as we go through the weekend. High pressure holds on, so beautiful sunshine I think for Saturday and Sunday, but then we find that the front moves through during the latter part of Sunday, weakens all the time, but then this is the feature we're watching. Watch how that spreads in during the course of Monday. Cold air coming south with this front on Monday evening, and that spreads through the whole of the country Tuesday morning, and then this low really takes over with cold air coming in on these west and northwesterly winds through the course of Tuesday into Wednesday and lasting into Thursday too. Now that one for Thursday morning could be quite interesting, as that ridge builds in early on Thursday morning. That could be quite a widespread but only slight frost across much of the country. So cold conditions are certainly on the way, as these charts more than adequately show us. So I think we need to be getting out the thermals and starting to think about making those cold weather preparations, though I stress, not snow, not ice, just cold compared to what we've had recently. Okay, so now what you can do here on the website is have a look around the weatherweb.net website, and I really thank you for watching. You can show your support. If you see any adverts on there that you like, click on the advert, take yourself through, and of course we get the recompense for you clicking on the adverts. So thanks again for watching, keep the sun shining, and I'll keep you updated as we go through the weekend.